inbound at the speed of heat.
The crowd.
In knife edge flight. There's a great Any lower, Brad Worston would be a foot ornament on the front of that jet dragster. This vehicle, powered by a Westinghouse J35 jet engine, the same engine used on Phoenix T2 Buckeye jet training, has been attached to this dragster capable of progression marks. A chance to see somewhere in the neighborhood of around 303 miles an hour, just shy thereof. But he's going to be dialed up for another high-speed run here in just a couple of moments as he continues to work the afterburner, working the smoke, making his own weather system out there. Bill Brock, current and outgoing chairman of the International Oregon Air Show. A full-time air show performer, he's a former Air Force C-130 and C-141 flight engineer. We're going to see another pass by Brad. Not very sportsmanlike, if I have anything to say about it, but I'm for sure not going out Here's what's going to happen. Bill's going to work his way off to the right. Brad's going to continue to climb, and we're not going to wage any bets, but I'll ask you these questions. Judged by your round of applause, who thinks Brad Worston in UX2 is going to win this race? Okay, a couple of. It's an air show after all. Judged by your round of applause, who thinks Bill Brock and the Jet Dragster will win this race? About to see who's going to buy the beverages in the hotel restaurant here tonight, as we are just a couple of seconds away. Let's watch as Bill Brock spools the Smoky and Thunder dragster to its maximum power, 6,500 pounds of thrust, 12,000 horsepower in 3, 2, 1, and we're race on. Let's again put our hands together for Bill Brock in the Smoke and Thunder Jet Dragster. And if you thought that was fast, you should see my fiance drive on the interstate. That's some real speed. Did you see the drag chutes come out? Bill doesn't dare touch